Today I'm just going to be showing you how to make a basic pasta dough with everything that you see on screen. In a large bowl, you're going to want to sift approximately a cup or about 250 grams, give or take, of white and or any type of flour that you have. Please keep your cup measure and your sift nearby. You will probably need a little bit more flour in the near future. This recipe calls for 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. So over your flour bowl, crack 1 egg, and over a separate container, crack 1 egg into a cup of your hand, so that way the egg yolk falls into your fingers, and you slowly let the whites of the egg fall through your fingers, and then just pass the egg yolk back and forth a couple of times lightly to get rid of the rest of the whites. You can also pull off this little piece right here, or leave it. I opt for leaving it, and then put it in your bowl. Mix everything together until you form a shaggy dough, and then if you're like me, don the gloves and use your hands. Once everything comes together in one uniform ball, just put it in the middle and then cover it with a clean towel or plastic wrap for about 30 minutes. You want the hydration of the dough to reach all of the dough. Once your dough has rested for about 30 minutes, it should look something like this. At this point in time, it's time to cover your dough in flour. I'm with either a standard rolling pin, or I like to use a long dowel. Roll out your dough. If the dough gives you any resistance in any way, shape, or form, turn it.